come back to Helper Dad. YouTube Shorts typically selects a frame from your video as the thumbnail, but now you can add a custom thumbnail after uploading, which can really improve your click-through rate. This guide outlines the steps to do just that. RST, it's important to understand the limitations. This feature is relatively new, so it might not be available to all channels yet. Check your YouTube Studio to see if you have access. Remember that thumbnails must still adhere to YouTube's community guidelines, and dimensions should ideally be 1280 by 720 with a 16:9 aspect ratio for optimal display, though YouTube will crop it for the shorts format. Keep in mind that the visible portion of the thumbnail is center cropped, so make sure your main content is in the center of the image. XT, check if the thumbnail option is available to you. To do this, open YouTube Studio by going to studio.youtube.com and logging into your account. Then, navigate to the Content section in the left-hand menu. Find the short you want to edit and hover over it, then click the Details icon, which looks like a pencil. In the short details, scroll down to the Thumbnail section. If you see a plus sign or Change option, you can use the feature. If not, it's not yet available for your channel. W. To add or change the thumbnail, access the Edit page by following the steps just mentioned. Click the plus or Change button in the thumbnail section, which will open your file browser. Choose the image file you want to use, ensuring it meets YouTube's guidelines for size and content. Finally, click the Save button in the top right corner of the screen, and then check your Shorts feed to make sure the thumbnail has been updated. You run into any issues, here are a few things to troubleshoot. If you find that your thumbnail has incorrect dimensions, resize it to 1280 by 720. If the update is slow, remember that YouTube servers might take some time to process the change, so refresh the page after a few minutes or clear your browser cache. Most importantly, make sure your thumbnail doesn't violate YouTube's community guidelines, otherwise it might be rejected or the short might even be removed. And of course, if you don't see the option, it just means the feature isn't available for your channel yet. Conclusion: adding a custom thumbnail to your YouTube Shorts can significantly boost views, so regularly check if the feature is available to you, and follow these steps to create eye-catching thumbnails. Remember to experiment with different designs and analyze their performance to see what works best. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad.